Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to translate a caption on TikTok. Alright, so if there is any TikTok caption you don't understand and you want to translate to the language that you understand in, it's very easy. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and then look for the video caption that you don't understand. Next thing you want to do is to translate it. For example, let's say this video caption right here, though this caption is in English, but if you want to translate to a language that you understand, let's say you don't understand English and you want to translate to the language you understand, all you have to do guys is to just click on this share icon right here. Click on the share icon right there, and then you are going to see this caption option right here. It's right here. Go ahead and click on that. Next thing you want to do is to click on this translate into, and then select the language you want to translate into. For example, let's say I want to translate into Chinese, or let's say I want to translate into Romana. I'll just select it right there, and then that's it. So once that is selected, I will click on done at the top right corner of my screen, and then I will just look right here. You are going to see that the caption has changed. All right, so now you can understand it very well. But you have to click on this C translation right there. Right, so once you click on the C translation, you are going to notice it will change. Right, so always click on the C translation. It's just below the caption. It's just below the caption. So once you click on that, it's going to be translated into the language. So that's it guys on how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to translate any caption on TikTok. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.